morning student. Today discuss about molecular orbital energy level diagram. Molecular orbital energy level diagram for O2 oxygen molecule. Draw the molecular energy level diagram for oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule consists of two oxygen atoms and oxygen having atomic number 8. What is the atomic number of oxygen? 8, and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. How many electrons present in valence shell? Number of electrons present in valence shell 6, and total number of electrons present in oxygen is equal to 8. So in case of O2, one oxygen atom contains how many electrons? 8. So two oxygen atom contain 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 electron present in. Total electron present 16. Now question arises, write the molecular energy level, molecular electronic configuration for O2 molecule. Write electronic configuration. So first of all, sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Sigma represent bonding molecular orbital and star represent anti-bonding molecular orbital, and sigma represent how these two atomic orbital join with each other. So two atomic orbital overlap end to end. When two atomic orbital overlap end to end, they can form sigma bond, and when they overlap sidewise, they can form pi bond. So sigma orbital participate in which type of bond formation? They participate in sigma bond formation. So sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. Then sigma 2s, sigma star 2s orbital. Then sigma 2p z, pi 2p x equal to pi 2p y. Pi 2p y. Then pi star 2p x equal to pi star 2p y, and sigma star 2p z. Clear? So p subshell contain how many orbitals? P subshell contain 3 orbitals: px, py, and py and pz. These are 3 subshell. P subshell contain how many orbitals? They contain 3 orbitals: px, py, and pz. These p orbital participate in 2p orbital participate in bond formation, and how this one is the atomic orbital of one at oxygen atom, and this one is the p atomic orbital of another atom, and when they overlap sidewise, this one overlapping is known as a sidewise overlapping. So this one sidewise overlapping. So when sidewise overlapping occur, they can form pi bond, or when end to end. This one is atomic orbital of one oxygen atom, and this one atomic orbital of another oxygen atom. So 2p z and 2p z. This one is the 2p z orbital of one oxygen atom, and this one is second oxygen atom. And when this p orbital z orbital overlap upon each other end to end, they can form sigma bond. तो पाई बॉन्ड कैसे बनता है? p जो आपके पास px और py ऑर्बिटल है, they overlap sidewise upon each other, so they can form pi bond, and sigma pz, they form pz, p orbital form pz orbital, they form end to end overlapping, and they can form sigma 2pz. Clear? And in this case, these orbitals are arranged in increasing order of energy. Sigma 1s is lower energy as compared to sigma 1s. So lower energy orbital filled first, then pairing of another orbital start. So how many total electron present? 16 electron. So sigma 1s contain 2 electron, sigma star 1s contain 2 electron. 4, 2s contain 6, sigma star 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16. Clear? Pi 2px and pi 2py, these are of equal energy, and when these orbitals are of equal energy, they are singly filled. क्लियर? जो आपके पास सेम एनर्जी ऑर्बिटल है, उनको आप पहले कैसे फिल करते हैं? सिंगली फिल करते हैं, देन आफ्टर स्टार्ट पेयरिंग, एंड इन दिस केस pi 2px equal to pi 2py, these are lower energy orbital as compared to anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this one is the molecular energy level, electronic configuration for oxygen molecule. Now draw energy level diagram. So first of all, this one represents sigma 1s, and this represents sigma star 1s, and on this side and this side, this one is atomic orbital. This one is atomic orbital of one oxygen atom, and this one is atomic orbital of another oxygen atom, and this one is known as a molecular orbital. And how molecular orbital is formed? They are formed by the overlapping of atomic orbitals. When two atomic orbital overlap on each other, they can form molecular orbital. Then sigma, this one is sigma 1s, sorry, this one 1s, 2s, 2s, 1s, clear? And this one sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. After that sigma 2p z, pi 2p x equal to pi 2p y. Then pi star 2p x, pi star 2p y, and last one sigma star 2p z. And on this side atomic orbital of one oxygen atom, and this one atomic orbital of another oxygen atom. This one 2p, this one 2p, and p orbital. Subshell contain how many orbitals? They contain three orbital, px, py, and pz. Clear? And lower energy orbital field first, then high energy. In this case 1s2. So how many electron present in 1s? 2 electron, 2s2, 2 electron, 2p4. So first of all singly filled, then start pairing. So this one is the energy level diagram for this one, another oxygen atom. Clear? And sigma 1, this one molecular electronic configuration for oxygen molecule. Clear? How many electron present in sigma 1s? 2 electron. Sigma 2s, 2 electron. Sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s 2, sigma 2pz 2, pi 2px, pi 2py 2. Then 1 and 2. Clear? So how many electron total? Oxygen contain total 16 electron, and these are arranged in this form: lower energy orbital field first, then higher energy. So in this case sigma 1 has lower energy than that of sigma star, and sigma 2s is higher energy as compared to sigma 1 star 1s. Clear? So sigma, these are the molecular orbital energy level diagram for oxygen molecule. Now question arise, next question arise, bond order. How to calculate the bond order? Half of the number of bonding minus number of anti-bonding electron divided by 2. This one is bond order. How to calculate bond order? Bond order is calculated by number of bonding electron minus anti-bonding electron divided by 2. So how many bonding electrons? Which orbitals are considered as bonding? Sigma 1s, sigma 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py, and star orbitals are known as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So how many? 2 electron lies in sigma 1s, 2 electron lies in sigma 2s. So 2 plus 2, 4. 2 electron lies in sigma 2pz, 6. 2 electron lies in pi 2px, 8. 2 electron in pi 2py. So this one is bonding molecular orbital. 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So how many bonding electron? 10. Minus number of anti-bonding electron. 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, and 6. So how many anti-bonding electrons? 6. So 10 minus 6 equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2. To calculate the bond order of oxygen molecule, the bond order of oxygen molecule is equal to 2. Clear? And how these two oxygen atoms join with each other? These two oxygen atoms join with each other by double bond. Clear? And similar, we know that similar atoms join with each other by covalent bond. So this one is molecular orbital energy level diagram for oxygen molecule, and this one is molecular electronic configuration for oxygen molecule, and this one is electronic configuration for oxygen atom. Clear? So this one is bond order. Next question, these are paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Paramagnetic or substances या molecules are those which contain all the filled orbitals. जिसमें सारी orbitals आपकी fill होती है उनको आप diamagnetic substances कहते हैं, और जिसमें unpaired electron आपके पास present होते हैं, these are known as paramagnetic substances. So this one contain two unpaired electron. If they contain unpaired electron, these are known as paramagnetic in nature. So oxygen molecule is which nature? They are paramagnetic in nature. Clear? Next one is O2 positive. O2 positive. How many electron? O2 positive. It means how many oxygen atom? 2 oxygen atom. And out of these 2 oxygen atom, 1 oxygen atom carry positive charge. Clear? Hai? This one is ions. Oxygen molecule ions. So how many? It consists of 2 atoms. Oxygen, 2 oxygen atom, but 1 oxygen carry positive charge. And when oxygen atom carry positive charge, it means lose electron. And how many electron they lose? 1 electron. So one oxygen atom contains 8 electron and another oxygen atom contains 7 electrons. So total electron, how many total electrons? 15 electrons. So how to write the molecular orbital energy level diagram for O2 positive molecule? 1 electron less, to remove 1 electron from pi 2p Z. So this one is the molecular energy level diagram for which molecule? Ions. Oxygen molecule ions. Next, electronic configuration. Same electronic molecular electronic configuration for F2 fullerene molecule. We know that fullerene having atomic number 9. Atomic number 9 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. And if we write F2, how many electrons? One oxygen fullerene atom contain how many electrons? 9. To 2 oxygen atom how many? 18. Clear? So in F2 molecule, fullerene molecule contain how many electrons? 18 electrons. And how to write electronic configuration? Sigma star 1s and sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px equal to pi 2py, pi star 2pz, pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py, then sigma star 2pz. Clear? This one in general. Now how to fill this 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन? आपके पास जो fullerene molecule है उसके पास टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं? 18. और how to write this electronic molecular orbital energy level electronic configuration for fullerene? So this contain 2 electron, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Clear? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Clear? This one is the molecular electronic configuration for F2 molecule. Now fill electronic configuration. So sigma 1s contain 2, sigma star 2 electron, then sigma 2s square 2 electron, sigma 2 star 2s square 2 electron, then sigma 2pz 2 electron, pi 2px 2 electron, pi 2px y square 2 electron, pi square 2px pi star 2px contain 2 electron and pi star 2py contain 2 electron. So this one is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for oxygen molecule, and this one is the molecular electronic configuration for fullerene molecule. Clear? तो इस तरह से आपने ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल के लिए भी सेम एज ही राइट करते हैं और fullerene के लिए भी सेम एज राइट करते हैं. डिफरेंस कहां पे आता है कि यहां पर आपके पास ऑक्सीजन के केस में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन आता था इन pi star 2px and pi star 2py, but in case of fullerene 2 electron extra, so 1 electron lies in this orbital and 1 electron lies in this orbital, because in case of oxygen 1 electron lies, and when in case of fullerene 2 electron lies, and fullerene molecule is diamagnetic in nature. If we compare the nature, so fullerene molecule diamagnetic in nature. Why? Because all the orbitals are fully filled. सभी ऑर्बिटल्स पे आपके पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, तो these are diamagnetic in nature. Next one, how to calculate the bond order? So first of all, number of bonding minus number of anti-bonding divided by 2. Clear? So in case of number of bonding electron 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus number of anti-bonding 2, 4, 6, 8 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2 equal to 1. So what is the bond order of fullerene molecule, bond order for fullerene molecule is 1, and how two fullerene atoms join with each other? Two fullerene atoms join with each other by single bond. So this one is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for oxygen molecule and fullerene molecule. Okay, thanks, have a nice day.